Hey, this is Chantel at WTI. If you want to restore an old guitar or just keep your guitar looking beautiful, this polish kit by Dunlop has been a really great purchase. My husband really enjoys purchasing guitars that need a little TLC, and he has been using this body and fretboard cleaning kit from Dunlop for years. It really just brings them back to life and makes them look new again. The kit comes with a lemon oil for the fretboard and a polish and cleaner along with 2 polishing cloths, which are so soft and have washed and dried really well. My husband has been using this kit on all of his guitars for almost 2 years and has been really happy with the quality. Watching fretboards go from dull to shiny and new is so satisfying. Each bottle is 4 ounces, so it really goes a long way. It is suggested to spray onto the cloth and then just wipe down, and the transformation is truly incredible. My husband was recently able to sell that Fender guitar, but look at how shiny and new this Yamaha acoustic guitar looks after using the kit on it. I love being able to see an old guitar come back to life, but that's just my point of view.